Okay. Cheesecake day.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
Very simple. We're gonna use a 9-inch pan.
Alright.
It's 20 centimeters
Alright.
around. We cover this because we're gonna put a double boiler.
Okay.
Because of bain-marie, you know,
Alright.
it's gonna be in water. I'm gonna put some hot water here.
Yeah.
This to avoid in case some filtration.
Okay.
And then that way we're gonna cook it, right?
Very nice.
Bake, sorry.
Yeah, bake, not cooking.
Yeah, not cooking.
Baking.
So I got this thing out at room temp. That's the main thing.
The cream cheese.
Yeah.
Room temperature cream cheese.
Yeah.
Very important.
Now, what we're gonna do here is just basically you start with this, okay?
Okay.
I already, 100, whatever.
Okay, this is the crumble for the base, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's pretty much the only reason I'm gonna mention this is because you have to go half. It's gonna be butter when I mix this, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So let's say 178 plus a few more because 200, right?
200 grams, that's what you want?
Yeah, 200. So this is what you do.
Okay.
Some people cut it in half, but what for? The machine can do the work, right?
Yeah? Oh yeah. For sure.
Okay, there you are. So we're gonna need, and we're gonna melt a 100 grams butter.
Okay. So half.
Yeah.
2 to 1, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I do. It works
Yeah.
for me.
Alright.
And close, then you were not crazy, right?
Yeah. Yeah, 97. There you
We're
go.
not going to the moon, right? I got the oven going at 325.
Sure. So it's preheating now, yeah?
Yeah, preheating, so, this should, what we're doing right now, is going to take more than 10 minutes, huh?
Yeah.
And then the rest is just baking, right?
Alright.
So this is the beauty of this cake. You can do it before. You don't have dessert for tomorrow because for today it's kind of hard.
Well, you want to let it sit for a day,
For
right?
6 hours,
Yeah, 6 hours minimum, huh? Okay.
That's what they say.
That's what they said.
I cut it after 1 hour. I put it on the freezer because I need it.
Beauty. Almost. You want...
It has to be sandy, right? Usually I do the same thing. This would be already there, but we're going step by step. Yeah, that's done.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Pretty fine consistency.
Yeah. The butter is coming right now.
Yeah. The butter.
Melt down, butter melt down.
And this is for the double boil, right?
Yes, for that water, I'm going to put hot water so I don't waste too much time. It's never been done, but we're going to do that. So I'm going to put this way.
Ah, okay. Upside down.
Yeah. What happened with the other thing, when you got a cutter, you got to go under and they just destroy.
Yeah, and yeah, you wreck the base.
I don't think the water is going to.
I think it'll be fine.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay.
So there you are. This is almost done. And we're going to put the butter here. And we're going to cool the butter. In the meantime, we're going to butter a little bit on this side here. So we don't have problem when we have to.
Yeah, for the sticking.
I don't know, this thing here.
Yeah.
We can put just a dash, just to be fancy. A little bit of sugar, yeah.
Just to sweeten it up a little bit,
and we have this on the butter, basically, that's what's going to be the... Yeah, and then we put this. Yeah, I don't want it too wet.
Yeah.
It's just going to be fine. So it's vanilla crackers, something. That's the traditional New York.
What, they usually use vanilla?
Vanilla
with the
yeah, it's vanilla on the crackers, so it tastes. You can use anything, but I'm just trying to be the original New York.
Yeah. So vanilla's the.
So there is a nice mix. You just squeeze it, but it doesn't stick.
All right.
That's it. Then we put a hole here. I know might look crazy, so we just push it out down here. It might look like a lot, but don't worry about it because we're going to put it on the side.
All right.
The traditional just actually don't have too much on the side. They like it right on the bottom.
All right.
But you know, everybody have his.
So now we bake it, yeah?
7 minutes, yeah.
Yeah.
Or 8 minutes, whatever they want to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this we're gonna put. How much? 900 grams.
900 grams?
9 grams, almost.
Okay.
Yeah. You can use up to 1,000, like a kilo.
Yeah.
But I'm just gonna be. I want a little. I don't want it dry. I want it like a moussey type.
Yeah, yeah. A little creamier.
Creamy. That's the
Yeah.
idea. Because there's a lot of other stuff we have to put. Huh?
Yeah.
So you use the paddle, okay? A lot of people use the whisk, and that's not good.
Yeah, that's the
Every time you use stuff heavy like this,
Yeah.
you need a paddle. And there we start at medium. Yeah, okay, we got that going. Now we got the cheese. We're gonna have the fresh vanilla.
Alright.
Yeah, fresh vanilla. This I just cleaned the.
Oh, the artificial. Come on.
No,
we
this
don't
is
have real vanilla here.
Oh no, this is artificial concentrate.
Yeah.
It's a vanilla cheesecake, so I put like a little more than a teaspoon, right?
No, that was a little more than a tablespoon.
Oh no, it wasn't full.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say a little more than a teaspoon of cream cheese for the vanilla.
Yeah, okay. So
And you don't put any lemon for this one?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna put lemon juice, a little bit of, maybe a tablespoon, something like that. We're gonna add we're gonna have the 200 grams of
Sour cream?
yeah.
Alright.
Can be with 35% fresh cream, but I want to do with
Sour.
yeah.
Okay.
This is more European than American. Usually American use 35%,
Alright.
and I use 200, right? Just try to get sort of, you know,
Close enough.
yeah, close enough. Yeah, this is good bit. So we're gonna put it here. But before we put it here, we're gonna try to take a little bit down here. This.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're just gonna put this guy.
Okay.
That's it. So now we have to add the sugar, which it comes about the same amount. I would say 1 cup. This is beautiful. So as you can see, I'm gonna put the liquid without just crushing the. Just get it over.
Okay, so
It looks like.
how's it looking? Oh yeah.
Looks okay.
What do you think? Soft enough?
Yeah, it's very soft. I like it soft, right?
Alright.
Because I'm gonna cook a longer time, but I don't like to put flour. Okay.
Yeah.
I know everybody put flour starch.
Really?
Yeah, but we try to do it. Yeah. Oh yeah, obviously.
I guess. So,
Yeah.
sugar, cream cheese, sour cream, lemon,
Yeah.
vanilla.
It can be, yeah, and it could be. You can do with the. I'm just trying to get
Yeah.
everything in one place
Yeah.
because this machine sometimes don't.
Doesn't hit everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It's like 1.5, 2 centimeters.
Of water
Yeah.
for the double boil.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what I'm looking for.
Mm.
Come to the top of the. Have
Of
you
the
seen?
crumble, yeah.
Have you seen those? Yeah, the crumble is going to be a little lower.
Mm-hmm.
Have you seen those cakes that are so like this high? I hate that.
Oh, the short cheesecakes? Like the,
it's
yeah.
okay.
Big cheesecake.
This is even watery. Hydration is
Yeah?
it's phenomenal. So we're gonna have to cook it a little normal on the average.
Alright.
Yeah, and then we cook it on the middle, right?
Yeah.
And then I think I had everything going. I forgot that it was coming from the oven, so I burned it in my hands. The hell. There you are. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
It was.
Yeah, the breadcrumbs. Yeah, I know.
So, and I can't shake my hand because I'm gonna lose everything. So 102.
Wait.
And 2 more minutes.
How long are we baking it for?
70 minutes.
70 minutes.
I will check it before, but.
Yeah. Okay. And here's the cheesecake.
Yeah, it's just coming out of the oven, and you just shake it.
All right. Look at that.
Yeah, yeah. Some people want it firm. I don't. I just rather have, and it's gonna firm when it settle down. We're gonna let it rest for 4 hours, 5 hours, and then it's gonna be fine. And then we can put it on the fridge. And you're gonna have it tomorrow morning, or tomorrow it'll be ready, all settled. And when it's settled, we're gonna put the blueberry or the raspberry or any glaze and you know, fruit and whatever you want on top.
And when the timer goes off for the oven, why do you leave it in?
So we don't want to stress the cake, the cheesecake.
The cheese, yeah.
For the simple reason that it's coming out of the over 300 degrees. Then you just take it out at room temp, would be 70, so it can stress it out, right? And then sometimes it crack, you know, and then sometimes it shrink because it's too fast. Yeah. So cheese is just like bread, slow process.
And this was what, 70 minutes?
70 minutes, just guarantee 70 minutes, and then if it's still too soft, you just leave it another 10 minutes.
Depends. And the temperature?
The temperature is 325. 350 max if it's too high. If it's too high, you gotta have more time in, so you gotta cook more. This is a very decent high, you know? Yeah. It's a lot of cheesecake half away, so with 50 minutes we were plenty, 45, 50 minutes. Depends how high they are. If they are 8 inches, 9 inches, 10 inches, whatever, right? Right. So this is how to take in consideration. And tomorrow or tonight, we're gonna do a glaze, a blueberry glaze. We're just gonna, this is gonna go down a little bit. Yeah. Gonna give us enough space. Enough space to just drop in our glaze that probably is going to have gelatin or starch, and then we settle down, shiny top, and we cut it. We still can do another coulis, put it on a plate, you're done. Beautiful. Or you can do just whipping cream and strawberries, which is the New York classic, right? So that's it, and doesn't cost too much.